with YouTube as your blood as a small content creator. How to grow with YouTube as your blood as a small content creator. It is very important to know that as your young age, you can start earning as early as possible. Dollars and more money in your country. It doesn't matter whether you are on United States, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, East Africans, Europe, Asia. You can earn as much as possible as long as you started your channel or your YouTube blood as early enough. When you come out from your college or university, or you have graduated and you are outside, you are staying idle, don't waste your time. It is very important to get social media. People should know that we are on digital era whereby the technologies have gone higher, where every student have to know about the technology. It is not about searching for the white collar job. You can take your laptop, start your blog, or start your YouTube channel. That is, start a YouTube channel as early as possible. Yes, instead of idling around, be a content creator. Go to the village, search for the best contents, whereby about the village, about the town, whenever you are. Don't stay idle. It is very important. Start investing on your brand as early as possible, because you grow with it. Maybe on your 30s, it will have arrived where it is supposed to be, because when you start your blood as early as possible, with the time it is deeper, it will grow and it will be very, very okay. Yes, because creation of YouTube channel, it does not grow within a day. It takes time. The earlier you start, the better. Yes, start as early as possible, and you have a good green pasture in the future. I guaranteed you that. Yes, start a YouTube channel as early as possible, and don't lose hope. Your blood of creating your videos on your YouTube channel, start posting videos and shorts. It is very important. Search for the best videos. If there is a function, if there is surprises, if there is wedding, start posting them on your YouTube channel as early as possible. Yes, and this will help you grow your YouTube channel as a small content creator. Start posting videos and shorts. Yes, edits, learn about editing, learn about everything. Start posting the best video, the best, you know about the streaming, going live. Do all these things. Don't waste your time. Don't stay idle. And this will help you in the future and grow as a smaller content creator. My YouTube channel, I'm Teresa Kariuki. Please subscribe down below, and may God bless you. We have talked about a growth of blood on your YouTube channel. Yes, have a proper planning and consistent on your show. It is very important to be consistent. Post maybe on Monday, on Wednesday, on Friday. Yes, start posting your videos consistency, and have a proper planning. Maybe if you're on Monday, you are posting a short. On Wednesday, a video. On Friday, you are going on live. Yes, have a proper planning on scheduling or premieres on your channel. Yes, and when you start it as early as possible. In the future, you never regret. Don't know yourself on your 40s, then you wish you could started on your 20s. If you come across this video, continue reading about my tutorials, and you learn that YouTube channel will help you in the future. Yes, be consistent and don't lose hope, and in the future you'll come to remember me. Yes, if you come across this and you don't have a YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel as early as possible. May God bless you. Please subscribe down below, and may God bless you.